Hi all, very good morning. Today our topic is there is another scripting challenge you need to discuss. Okay, the main topic today Apache JMeter scripting challenge 5. Okay, today this is the topic you need to discuss. Okay, and what are the challenges I faced, especially in my experience and especially in JMeter tool. Okay, that are the things only currently I'm providing through videos. Maybe these videos will be helpful to who are the people will trying to interview, right, trying from jobs point of view. That is the one, that is the way you need to help that one. Interview people's, the candidates will be helped. That is the first one. Who are the people is working in company, right? That people just he will give one idea about, okay, this type of issues space. Okay, how we need to resolve, what type of code you need to use, what type of test elements you need to use to resolve that one. Okay, and candidates it's already highly experienced, right? Scripting remaining stuff. Okay, it just other projects, other team peoples. Okay, how we need to face the issues and how we need to resolve that one. Just will give one brief idea about, okay, in scripting challenges point of view. Okay, now we need to start the scenario. Scenario example. I have recorded the one script. Okay, the transactions is launch the URL, login, flight booking, flight details, search flight, passengers list, sign off. Okay, these are the steps it's available. Means otherwise it's called as transactions. Okay, the what are the transactions is available, right? The correlation, parameterization, page verification is completed. But the problem is flight booking transaction backend is not working. Means it's the dynamic value correlation is not done perfectly. Okay, that is the main meaning. The backend is not working. Okay, what are the dynamic value is generated in transactions, that is correlation is done. Means it's already completed all the correlations, whatever dynamic values it's available. Okay, but cookie manager generated another dynamic value response in flight booking transaction in view results tree and response body. But cookie manager generated dynamic value not available in transaction list. Okay, now you understand, right? The exact scenario. This is the main scenario. Whatever transactions you recorded and the script, the correlation, parameterization, page verification, everything is completed. Okay, whatever transactions is available, but still the script is not working for flight booking transactions. Flight booking transactions it's not working means the correlation is not done perfectly. It's very clear. And why it's the correlation everything is done properly, right? You need to check to the dynamic values. Okay, but it's already cookie manager generated another dynamic value. It's coming to the in view results tree in response body, but that dynamic value it's not available in any transaction list. Okay, it's already generated. There is a separate way. Cookie manager only generated. Now what you need to do, right? This cookie manager generated dynamic value already correlated dynamic value name place. You need to pass that place. Example, something you give the correlation name flight booking. Okay, this dynamic value correlate and something you need to give the name, right? That dynamic value pass it to that name. That name you need to give directly, you need to pass to the flight booking. That time the dynamic value, whatever cookie manager generated dynamic value will pass it to already correlated value, right? That time issue will be resolved. It's very simple talk. Okay, that is the main issue and resolution also. Okay, now you can go to solution. I need to do cookie manager generated dynamic value store to the I am already correlated dynamic value, solve the issue. Okay, same whatever I told. The cookie manager generated dynamic value, you need to pass it to the already correlated value. Correlated dynamic value place, you can pass it. That time issue will be resolved. Okay. And the tree structure, I am created first of all test plan, thread group, user defined variables, HTTP request default, HTTP cache manager, HTTP cookie manager. After transactions, launch URL, login, flight booking, flight details, search flight, passengers list, and sign off. View results tree, view result table, aggregate report. As for test point of view, will create it. These are the transactions. Sorry, elements and transactions will be added. Now, okay, now it's a very important one. First of all, you need to add the bean shell post processor. Okay, the bean shell post processor you need to add the on the top under thread group. You can add to the you can give the directly bean shell post processor, you can give the top. The reason, you wherever the script is failed, right, you can give that place also, you need to give, otherwise directly you can provide to bean shell post processor, you can give the top also. There is no any issue. Everything under you need to come thread group, right? Thread group will automatically will replace. Okay. Now bean shell post processor you added. Okay, now your the main goal, you need to pass it, right? Okay, bean shell post processor, the cookie manager generated dynamic value. Okay, this is the generated dynamic value, guys. Example I will providing. Okay, now we can see OSCS ID is the name. This is entirely its left boundary, and until this place everything is the right boundary. This is the main dynamic value. It's not available under transaction list. Okay, now you need to correlate that one. The correlation name is, and everything will be correlated. You can, whenever the correlated, right, you can give the within the dollar sign you provided, right, it will provide it. Dollar, open and close the brackets, you can give the cookie underscore OSCS ID. Okay, you can copy this one, you can maybe it can paste below, it's the best. Okay, this is the way you correlate it. Under regular expression you can done remaining stuff everything. Okay, you can give the, this is the name. Okay, this is the first step we completed. After, you need to pass it, right? This is, it's already correlated name, something you can give to regular expression, right? You already given the name. This is cookie manager generated dynamic value correlation name. This is already correlated name. Now you need to write to the props dot put open whatever already correlated name, right, my cookie, comma, now cookie manager generated dynamic value correlation name, you can give the dollar open close cookie OSCS ID, you can close. Means the OSCS cookie underscore OSCS dynamic value you need to pass it to the already correlated dynamic value name. Okay, that is our main intention. Okay, now you can add to the bean shell preprocessor. You can copy this one. You can add under bean shell post processor below. Okay, bean shell preprocessor. Okay, now you added the bean shell preprocessor. Okay, now you need to add it, right? This is very important. This is everything in cookie manager only. Will done. Okay, that reason you can import the packages. Bean shell preprocessor import org dot apache dot jmeter dot protocol dot http dot control dot cookie manager, first package. After, import org dot apache dot jmeter dot protocol dot http dot control dot cookie manager and cookie both you packages added. Now what you need to do? You need to pass it to the OSCS ID to my cookie. How you need to do that one? That is important task. Okay. Now you can start to the cookie manager equal to CTX means JMeter variables. CTX means Citrix dot get current sample. Citrix dot get current sample dot get cookie manager. Whatever user will be executed, right, that sample based, you need to get the, you can call it as cookie manager. You can call it as cookie manager. After second one, cookie equal to new cookie open. You can give the OSCS ID. This is the name, right? Dynamic value name. You can give it to the OSCS ID. First, you can give the name OSCS ID. After same method only you can use props dot get open and close. You can give the my cookie. My cookie means now this OSCS ID dynamic value you can pass it to this place. Okay, that reason you can call it as props dot get my cookie, comma remaining name new tools dot demo aut.com slash false comma 0. Okay, you can provide it the false comma 0 one. It's the right one. Okay, based on the syntax. After now, what you need to do? Another one, manager dot add cookie within the bracket. Okay, how you need to add it, right? Now you can add it to the cookie means, okay, cookie means it's a call it as OSCS ID. OSCS ID means this is the cookie manager generated dynamic value. Whenever manager dot add cookie, right, the cookie will be passed to you already given. This is the name, right? Props dot put method. That reason whenever you give the manager dot add cookie, that time the cookie will be passed to my cookie. Means cookie manager generated dynamic value will pass it to already correlated value. Okay, that time the HTTP request will be passed without any issue. This is the way the code will be work, guys. Okay, and this method, right, you can see this is, there is a separate syntax. The syntax based only you can give the false comma 0. Okay, you can check to the JMeter user manual, right, how we need to work to the cookie and cookie managers. You can understand how we need to work. Okay, once this everything will done, bean shell post processor and bean shell pre-processor, everything will completed. After, you need to do one small change. Go to JMeter bin folder, open jmeter.properties file. Open the jmeter.properties file and set cookie manager dot save dot cookie. Okay, you need to set it to the cookie manager dot save dot cookie. You have got the below one. Okay, by default how it's work, right, you can see cookie manager behavior should cookies will be stored as variables. By default this is the way it's available. Cookie manager dot save dot cookies equal to false. This is by default available every JMeter. What you need to change, right, this is the way you need to change. You can remove to the hash symbol. Hash means it's a commented in JMeter. Remove to the hash cookie manager dot save dot cookies equal to true. Means whatever cookie manager generated dynamic value you can pass it to the already correlated value. That one will be true. Whenever it's a true only, your code will be, your functions, everything, your conditions will be working. It's a false, right, it's not work. Okay, you can give the true. Okay, after just save the that notepad or whatever file you open, that format, just save the file and close. Start the script execution. Right, that time the script will work as expected. And the same time whenever it's working, right, the back flight booking transaction backend is not working, right, that one will be work. Okay, this is the way only, guys, the issue you need to resolve. Okay, maybe now you understand, right, this whole process. Okay, You can practice it 2 3 times, right? That time whenever interviewer all who is the person will ask the question, right? What are the scripting challenges you faced? Okay, that time you need to explain this whole process. You can one by one you can explain the first of all what is the scenario, okay, and what are the transactions available, what is the exactly what is the issue, okay, what is your idea, okay, what is the tree structure you created, after what is the initial post processor, and how you need to what are the things you've done in post processor initial pre-processor. First of all, what is initial pre-processor, after what are the code will be written, and what is the packages you imported, and what are the code will be written, how we need to work, everything you need to explain. Once everything will be done, right, in go to initial jmeter bin folder, after jmeter properties file, what are the things you changed after, actually by default what it's available, what you changed, after you need to run this script, right, it will be work. This whole process you need to minimum you able to explain minimum 10 minutes, okay. Means example, whenever you face any scenario or any issues, that much fastly it's not able to solve, okay. You need to slowly one by one step only, it will take too much time, right? Minimum you need to explain 10 minutes, okay. That time only, on the same time slowly you need to explain. That time the interviewer also will satisfy what you are saying and you need to understand, okay. At the same time whenever you are executing time, what are the issues you faced, okay, and how you need to resolve that one, that steps also you need to include and you need to explain, okay. Yeah, maybe now you understand, guys, what I'm told everything now, okay. Maybe this video will helpful anybody, okay. Still this scenario and this code point of view, anybody have any doubts, please comment me, I will provide my best, okay. Still I am told I am not an expert, okay, I'm still learning stage, but will provide my best, I will give it my 100% support, I will provide it, okay. You have any doubts, right, please comment them that one, okay. uh, Whenever I free, right, I will provide the I will give the reply and I will provide the created the videos and post it to you, okay. Yeah, that's all, guys, this video. Maybe you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and I will provide the more videos on same channel, okay. Every day I will try my best to provide one video, okay. It's possible provide more videos, otherwise every day I will provide it one video, I will complete the I will support it to you. What the people will support it to me. Okay. Yeah, that's all, guys. This video. After next day, the new video I will come back to you. Thanks, everyone. Bye.